It's not Stealth you can see from outside the park, it's Hyperia. Through the trees from the motorway, this is our first update from Thorpe Park since Hyperia was announced, actually, and indeed went vertical. Now, I've not been around, which is why we haven't seen it yet. However, there it is. Now, we did say that it wouldn't be starting where you think it would start, because most people thought it would start at the station. It was always going to start around this back point, and that's where construction started. A little bit later than what we were told, in fairness, but there was a bit of groundwork to do, and there was some extra work to do as well. So, you know, kind of expected. However, Hyperia is now vertical, and it's going up really quick as well. So welcome to Thorpe Park, welcome to this update. It's going to be a good one because we haven't seen it yet, we haven't got close to it yet, so we're going to get you some more footage and show you what's going on down here at the site. So outside the park here, we have the station structure. We'll get a closer look at that in a second when we go inside, but the station structure has started to go up. And then obviously over the other side, over the course of like the last few days, we have a near 100-foot supports up with the base of the drop and one of the turnaround points of track in place as well. So yeah, there it is. Now the good news is there is more track on site, there are supports going up, so this is going to get taller probably today. Before this video goes up, this is probably going to be taller, but just look at it, it looks fantastic. Right, gonna head inside the park now and get you some more shots from in park. We do have little peeping holes in which we can see the station going up, but you can't get around the other side at the moment, but we'll get some more views from you. So you can tell by it being white that it's one of the higher end supports. Definitely seems like they've got to move some pieces before they go up and install any more. Certainly looks like we've got a piece going up. Right, we have it clicking into place nearly, the next piece of the jigsaw for Hyperia. There goes the first bolt. Help hold it in place. And the next bolt in that side as well. Right, that is our first update from Hyperia since it went vertical here at Thorpe Park, and it's been really exciting to stand here for an hour or so watching it as you see the next piece going in. It's going to go up really quick over the next few weeks. Of course, there is only 2 weeks left of the season, but we will be keeping an eye on this for construction until at least the track's complete. But that is going to dominate the skyline from here, as we said. As you can see from the advertising here, Thorpe Park are now pushing it absolutely everywhere. But what do you think? Is it really exciting now? I mean, we followed the dirt, we followed the groundwork. Is it finally exciting now? Let us know in the comments below. I think this coaster, particularly the drop, is going to surprise people. Really, really surprise people. Because that drop looks insane. It's already tall and sore. We definitely think it's scaling well over 100 foot already, and that's in a case of 3-4 days. We can see the bit of track at the base. We know the top and bottom have arrived. There's more track going in. I think the lift hill will go in first. But yeah, what do you think? From UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam. If you liked it, drop it a like. It's Hyperia all winter. We can't wait for it. We'll see you next time.